आपने पढ़ा नहीं क्लास, डॉक्टर साहब आ रहे।
स्पीकर यहाँ पर रखेंगे, स्पीकर के साथ ही मेरे ध्यान डॉक्टर को इधर जाता है, इधर जाता है।
एक्सएलआर केबल छोटी है, कोई नहीं मंगवा लेते हैं, ये बड़ी कल को मंगवा लेंगे। हाँ ये कल मंगवा लेते हैं। मैं एक मिनट क्लास शुरू करवा के अभी कहता हूँ। नहीं अभी क्या आता ना, तो रात में वो ले जाएंगे, फिर जाते हुए यहाँ सुबह आते हुए। वैसे आ जाएगा, एक मिनट।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Can everybody hear me? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Can everybody hear me? Can everybody hear me? Pointer below. Can everybody hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullah. So there is every apparent shar, there is a khair. Apparently it was not good that I was unwell, but the good behind that was that brother Haseeb could teach you, and we had another teacher to teach Arabic inshallah in future.
Sir, Hasib was very good.
MashaAllah. So I should hand over class to him.
I don't mean that, sir. I'm just because you are senior and I wanted to appreciate him.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. When Haseeb studied Arabic in Quran Academy from me, in the very first round of the class, Alhamdulillah, I spotted that he can teach Arabic. But for some reason or the other, he couldn't be given the chance. And last year, he was given the chance, and Alhamdulillah, we found out that yes, he can teach Arabic. So you have studied a lot the 6 abwab of Sulati Mujarrad. Do you all know the meanings of Sulati Mujarrad?
Yes, sir.
What is Sulati Mujarrad?
These are the words or the doors that are like on which the patterns are set, like Nasara, Yansuru, Noon.
Why they are called Sulasi Mujarrad?
In them, the first letter from Mazi contains only 3 letters.
Yes.
Sulasi
All,
and Mujarrad
there are, from this Abuda, you know many words. For example, Abid, for example, Abd, right? And then Ma'bud is also derivative of the same. Abid is the doer. Ma'bud is the victim of the act of doing. Maf'ul. So all the derivatives, nouns and the verbs from Ain Balda, which are from these two, that is Bab Nasara and Bab Karoma, they are all be under the heading of Sulasi Mujarrad. How we will come to conclude that? That will come, we find out the origin. We can have the other example. Ilm. Shukran. You might have heard that from one root you can form 1,000 words. Of those 1,000 words, rather 2,000, 5,000 words, ilm is a madda. Have you found out what is madda? The three-lettered root. Yeah, three-lettered root is called madda. And in 99% cases, this is three-lettered madda. So they are called sulasi. If it is 4-lettered origin, then you call rubai. If it is 5, which is 0.001% of the Arabic language, you will call Khumasi. So because they are rare, we will not study in this class. I wish you have an interest in the language and then you study more on your own. One madda is ain, lam and meme. What is this? Any word you know from this? Ilm, knowledge. Knowledge. To know. To find out. This have some other meanings also, where the same one will be there. Now some other words which are derived from ilm, as Sulasi Mujarrad.
Can we say alam?
Alam is also a word, but ilm is also a word. We are taking it from ilm because alam is alam because that is a part of ilm. Alam is the sign. The sign is of knowledge. One is unknown thing. One is a known thing. You recognize by its signs. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay? Now, a series of letters, verbs is alima ya'lamu. And the infinitive is ilmun. Now its derivatives. I don't understand. No. Sorry. Thank you. Alima ya'lamu ilmun. One word from these are number one, you should be able to make 14 forms of Madi. Speak on. I should hear from you.
Alam,
Alima.
Alima, alimani, alimuna.
Alimu. This is Mudare. I'm telling about Alima. Alima is Alima, Alima, Alimu, Alimat, Alimata, Alimna, Alimta, Alimtuma, Alimtum, Alimti, Alimtuma, Alimtunna. You have to hold the word. Ain is Fatha and Lam is Kasra. You have not to allow the word slip from your hand, from your tongue. So it will, from first to the end, it will be Ali, 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 Ali. Only the harakat of meme will change and then addition will be made. So, Alima, Alima, Alimu, Alimat, Alimata, Alimna, Alimta, Alimtuma, Alimtum, Alimti, Alimtuma, Alimtunna, Alimtu, Alimna. Then, what does this tell you?
This is Muzari.
Mazare of Alima. Not Mazare of any, the Mazare of Alima. So, bring it here.
Yalamu, yalamani, yalimun, yalamuna. Talamu, talamani, talamuna.
Now, this is why we go vertically. When you go vertical, you don't make mistakes. Otherwise, you have to change the signal from again and again. You change the gear and then you turn, then again you change the gear, and there's no turning in this. Ya'lamu, ta'lamu, ta'lamu, alamu, na'lamu. Ya'lamani, ta'lamani, ta'lamani, ta'lamani. Ya'lamuna, ya'lamna, ta'lamuna, ta'lamna. And ta'lamina. Very simple. Now, how many words are you able to make until now from Ain Lam Mim? How many words are you able to make? 14 plus 14, 28. Then you learn with the passage of time that to have the passive form, you have fatha on the first letter and kasra on the second letter, middle letter, and by law we cannot change this fatha. And yu'lamu is it madare in the passive form, right? And infinitive of this word will again be the same, ilmun. Now you bring these again on the charts of Madi and Madare. Madi is ulima. It was known. Ulima, ulima, ulimu, ulimat, ulimata, ulimna, ulimta, ulimtuma, ulimtum, ulimti, ulimtuma, ulimtunna, ulimtu, ulimna. For the younger people, it is easy to memorize things. But for the older ones, it is hard to memorize things. Easy way is that you should make copies of the empty 14 boxes in hundreds. If you really want to learn Arabic, make hundreds of copies of blank 14 boxes. Or make 14 boxes, one page, on one page 4 like that, for example, and then you make photocopies. You will have 4 going to 16 and then to 36 and then to 48 like this. And the pattern should be there. When you fill them up, make other copies. On those blanks, you should make these copies. Ulima, ulima, ulimu, ulimat, ulimata, ulimna. Sorry. Ulima, ulima, ulimu, ulimat, ulimata, ulimna. Ulimta, ulimtuma, ulimtum. Ulimti, ulimtuma, ulimtunna. Ulimtu, ulimna. Then yu'lamu. It will be known. Ulima was, it was known. Yu'lamu, it will be known or it is known. Yu'lamu, tu'lamu, tu'lamu, ulamu, nulamu, yu'lamani, tu'lamani, 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 yu'lamuna, yu'lamna, tu'lamuna, tu'lamna, and then tu'lamina. This verb you have to study and practice very carefully because it very frequently comes in the Quran, but it confuses with amal. Yamaluna is they are doing, and yalamuna is they know. If you are not careful, you will read wrong, you will speak wrong, you will write wrong. I think it will be easy that if I make 14 boxes for you. I believe Hasib must have taught Arabic better than I do, but practice makes the man perfect. For this practice, the two Madi chart and Madari chart should be in front of you simultaneously. So we will have that.
Sir, Hasib is a good teacher, but you are experienced. That's why you are bold.
Did he mind your questions? What do you mean?
Hasim teaching was like a child learning to walk. Sir, you are Shahsawar.
Thank you. Madi, Wahid, Musanna, and Jama. Again, do you understand why did I correct? Anybody? To make this line. This is masculine, this is feminine, this is masculine, and this is feminine, and this is first person. This was third, third person, and that was second person. Are you with me?
Yes, sir, we are with you, sir.
Again, third person, second person, and first person. first person. This was masculine, feminine, masculine, feminine. You know, I've given you the sample graph on your computer and make beautiful 14 boxes and then practice on it. If you have spare time during the day or at the weekend, you must spend that spare time to learn Arabic. Maximum writing of the charts. So we are talking about Alima Yalam. So now it is easy for you. We divide the first word into two pieces. The small line indicates the last letter of the verb, and the whole line, longer line, indicates the rest of the word. To be more clear. This is a ready-made blank for you. Don't forget the longer line is regarding this. Green is the last word of the first form of Madi, and the red line indicates the rest of the words. We are finding out that visible, green one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are with me that what I am doing?
Yes, sir. Alima, alima, alimu.
Exactly. And sorry. Now when you reach here, alimna, now you have to grip strongly this alim. And only you have to add at the end of alim ta tumatum ti tumatunna and then ye na. Ta tumatum. Up to this harkat was changing. It was fatah here, dhamma here, and fatah here and fatah here. But at the sixth one, that is plural, feminine, third person, this last letter of the first form becomes fixed by the sukun or jazm. Then you have to hold this and then continue with ta, tuma, tum. Ti, tuma, and tunna.
Two, now.
Yes. Now this is a blank for the past tense. Any past tense in Arabic language will fit into this. Have you had any idea of pattern in Foundry? In Foundry or wherever, certain pieces of plastic or a metal made. So the molten metal is poured into that pattern and allowed to cool. And when it cools, it adopts that shape. The molten matter will be the first form of modi, whatever we have. And we will pour into these boxes and they will automatically adopt the shape of this. But the easiest way to remember is that point, that when you are at Jama, Muannas, third person, the last letter becomes silent. You fix it there and then continue with that fixed position. Ta, tuma, tum, ti, tuma, tunna, tu, na. Right? Now, yes. Arabs are proud of their language. I believe they have the right. In English, how many words you can form from K, N, O, W? How many?
What?
No, new, known, knowledge, knowing.
A handful.
5. Know, new, known, knowledge, and knowing. That's all. But you are the beginners. And this is your 16th class. And you are able to make, up till now, how many? 28 words. Not 28, 28 plus 28. Right? Because you have formed Madi also. When they have a certain root, which has a meaning. Arabs will make a slight change. They in Arabic are called bab, abwab, bab singular, which is known for chapter and door. Door, we have studied, is babun. Plural is abwabun. Now, I have to leave the stage. If I leave from here, it will carry different meanings. But if I leave the stage from here, it will carry different meanings. If I leave the stage from here, it will carry different meaning. How? The same root ilm. In English, many acts related to ilm will have different roots. For example, what is information? What is information?
So to know.
Information, first, the verb will be
Inform.
to inform. And what is informing? To know? No. To make someone know, if at all you have to say no, to share the knowledge with someone. Are you with me? Then again, there are two different words. One is sharing the knowledge at one time. That for that English word is to inform. Again, inform, informed, informed. Informing and information. There's no sixth word. Then there's another word related to ilm, or knowledge, that is teaching. What is teaching? Again, sharing the knowledge on regular basis. You have separate word teach, to teach. Teach, taught, taught. Teaching and teacher. That's all. Then to inquire. What is inquiry? Inquiry is you seek knowledge. Do you understand? Inquiry is you seek knowledge. Again, knowledge. But in English, you have to inquire, inquired, inquired, inquiring, inquiry. That's it. Then to learn. What is learning? To seek knowledge on regular basis. Inquiry is to seek knowledge one time. But in learning, you seek knowledge on regular basis. Now you will be amazed to know that in Arabic they all will be derived from ilm. But the doors will be different. When ilm will drop from this root, it will have different meanings. If from this root, it will have different meanings. If it is from that root, it will carry different meanings. Very interesting, very interesting. Lama. Is he informed? Now you have known this, meanings of this. Now go to that chart and fill it. Good? Bismillah. Only you have the choice on only mean, but not on Hamza, Ain or Lam. They are the longer line. Yes?
Alama, alama, alamu. Alamat, alamata,
Very good.
أعلمت أعلمت ما أعلمتم أعلمتي أعلمت ما أعلمتن أعلمت أعلمنا.
Is there anyone from you who has not learned Arabic at all before? He should make an attempt so that I can test myself too. How good?
Sir, I don't know any Arabic at all.
Oh, okay, come on then. Bring this to this chart.
What am I bringing, sir? Ulema?
Alama,
Alama. So, sir,
to inform.
it will be Alama,
Yes?
Alama, Alam, Alamta,
Alamat,
Alamat, Alamat,
alamata,
Alamata, Abadan.
a,
And then,
alamna.
sorry, Alaman.
Look this. This is the longer line, right? And this is the shorter line. You have to put sukoon on the shorter line, but you cannot make any change in the longer line. So the shorter line is meme. Here you have to make it sukoon on it. So a'lamna.
Alamna.
Yes.
And then you said you hold the word
A'lamta.
Alam here.
Na? You have a'lamna, remove lul, but then this sukoon should continue.
So, Alam,
A'lamta. A'lamta.
Alamta,
A'lamtuma.
Tuma,
A'lamtum. A'lamti. A'lamtuma. A'lamtunna.
Tunna,
A'lamtu.
Alamtu,
A'lamna.
Na.
So, what will be the meanings of a'lamtani or a'lamtuhu? Okay, make it more clear. What is the meanings of a'lamtu?
Alamtu, I know.
No. I inform who? Him. How easy is Arabic? Yani, in a very short time, your vocabulary has increased in geometrical proportion, not mathematical. Geometrical. A'lamtuhu. I told him. A'lamuni. A'lamu is they informed. Ni is, you remember the attached pronouns? Ya maqabal kasra is for me. They informed me. Alamtum hunna. Alamtum hunna. Look this. This is second person. Both in second person, only the difference of masculine and feminine. Say it again.
So, Hunna is for the female
Yes.
Jama.
Yeah. Second person.
That's
Kunna.
yes. Alam Hunna.
Alamtum hunna.
Alam to Hunna.
You are telling the men that you informed women this thing. Then Allama, he taught. Yes. Now shift it to the empty chart for Madi. And then you have also to tell me that have you read this word in the Quran?
Allama al-Quran.
Khalaq al-insan, allamahul bayan. Even before that, in the first revelation,
In the
Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq, khalaq al-insana min alaq, Iqra wa rabbuka al-akram, alladhi allama bil qalam, allama al-insana ma lam ya'lam. How simple is that? Are you with me? Sir, are you
Yes,
understanding? Okay.
Yes,
yes, sir.
Sir, I am a bit confused. The word alima is from the verb see, but I'm not able to recognize ulima or other.
Speak please louder because I am 72 years old. You
The
must
word
keep in mind.
alima is from the verb see, but I'm not able to recognize ulima. From which verb this word is?
Which one?
Ulima or alama.
No, forget about ulima. I have given you the example of passive voice. This is passive voice. Right? I've just given you that you have this much of vocabulary. That you have ulima yolamu, it means you have 24 verbs you are able to make from this also. From the same, if you keep on counting, we are until now able to make how many of this? 28 in verbs, okay. But many more in the nouns too. Alimun, alimani, alimuna. You know that? Aliman, ali, alimani, alimaini, alimaini. Alimuna, alimina, alimina. Alimatun, alimatan, alimatin. Alimatani, alimataini, alimataini. Alimatun, alimatin, alimatin. Then maf'ul, noon. Ma'lumun. Ma'lum is known. Ma'lumun, ma'lumani, ma'lumuna. Ma'lumina, ma'lumani. Ma'lumani, ma'lumaini, ma'lumaini, ma'lumuna, ma'lumina, ma'lumina. Then muannas. Ma'lumatun, ma'lumatan, ma'lumatin. You remember the chart? You can open from your notes the chart of number in ism. You'll find there. So this so rapidly you make vocabulary. So from this, now you are able to make 22, 28 and 42, 28 plus 18, 46. And then from this 28 plus 14, again 46. Only from Sulasi Mujarrad. And then we have all the babs which I have introduced to you there. So Allama is? Yes?
he taught.
Yes, we have talked about this. In the first revelation it comes, in Surah Rahman it comes. He taught. What's the difficulty in this? I don't understand. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So what's the problem? Make a chart of a llama. MashaAllah.
Allama, allama, allamu.
No, let the sister do it. She started first. Sister, you came to this. Allamu. Then,
alamat,
MashaAllah.
alamata,
Very good.
alamma,
Allamna. Allamna. Then, now you have to hold allam.
okay. Alamta, alamtuma, alamtum, alamti,
Allamti. Not alamti. Allamti.
alamti, alamtuma, alamtunna, alamtu, alamtuna.
In the first juz, you see Allama Adam al Asma'a kullaha.
Yes.
Remember? Allama Adam al Asma'a kullaha. Allah taught Adam names, all of them. All the names, which means in our idiom, all the names. Then we have
So now we know the pattern. How will we know the meanings of it? Like alima, ulima, alama, allama.
until you become harakat conscious, you cannot understand the meanings. Now you would understand why our Qari, our Qariya used to be very harsh with us if we made any mistake. In Surah Al-Fatiha, if someone says, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, Ihdina Siratal Mustaqim, Siratal Lazina An'amta Alayhim, instead you say An'amti Alayhim, or Al-Amtu Alayhim. If you say An'amti, then you make Allah female. Right? And then if you say An'amtu Alayhim, it is shirk, that whom I blessed with favor. So it's very important. So for that, don't be upset, though it's very difficult. No. You only have to become conscious of the harakat. If you are conscious of harakat, and you will find, oh, there is a change in harakat. This is alima, this is ulima. You only have to become conscious of the harakat. Ista'lama. He inquired. He inquired. Yes, brother, now it's your turn.
Istalama, istalama, istalamu. Istalamat, istalamata, istalamna. Istalamta, istalamtuma, istalamtum. istalamti, istalamtuma, istalamtunna, istalamtu, istalamna.
Excellent. Then to learn. Now a ta is added before ain. He learned. Ta'allama.
Ta'allama, ta'allama, ta'allamu.
Someone else should take the turn without having any hesitation that you will make a mistake. No problem. I told you, you learn only with mistakes. Yes.
تعلما تعلما تعلموا تعلمت تعلمتا تعلمنا تعلمتا تعلمتما تعلمتم تعلمتي تعلمتما تعلمتنا تعلمتو تعلمنا.
Now who will tell you where you have read this word in the Quran? Yes, mashallah. I believe you recite the Quran regularly.
From the story of Hazrat Adam, we learned
No, that is teaching. Allama Adam al Asma Kullaha. In the story of Habil and Qabil, the two angels which were descended amongst the sons of Israel, and they could teach magic to the people. And magic was haram in the Sharia of Musa alayhi salam. So they said that if you want to learn magic, yes, we can teach you very well. But remember, it is kufr. Don't do that. So Quran says, وَيَتَعَلَّمُونَ مِنْهُمَا مَا يُفَرِّقُ بَيْنَ الْمَرْءِ وَزَوْجِهِ. But they learned from them what separated men and women. Men and women. Man and his wife, sorry. Today again is the same thing. There are many people who are very happy when a pair is separated. A husband and wife come to divorce. The attorneys are waiting for such cases to file from either side that we can't live together. Which one is left, brothers? Okay. Do you have some idea of what these are? I should hear from you. Or you didn't understand?
These are verbs, nouns.
No, these are the derivatives of ilm, are the three roots in certain shapes. As I said, in the foundry there are patterns. You pour your molten metal into that, allow it to cool, and it gives you the same for which the pattern was. And it was a simple example. You want to make ice cream, and you have the patterns, different patterns to freeze the ice cream. What you get? You get the liquid form, you fill them up and put them in the freezer. And after 8 hours, you take them out, pour some water on the back, and you get the pieces of ice cream. So these are the shapes. Another example I give you, you have different what should I say, different potteries, different utensils in different shape. Test tube, beaker, jug, glass, and cup. You fill them with water and put it into the freezer. After 8 hours, you will take them out and pour some water on the back. You will have a cup of water, cup made of water, right? You have a beaker made of water. You have a test tube made of water, right? You have a jug made of water. You have a glass made of water. So that there are two shapes. One is material and the other is shape. Now change the material. We have already changed that for ice cream, we poured milk. And for ice, you need water. Okay? हसीब आ जाओ. हाँ, मैं भी बैठता हूँ इधर. इसके पहले उसी तरह का ब्लैंक बना दो इधर.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Walaikum salam.
एडिशन की जगह रखो ना, लंबी लाइन कर रहे हो ज़्यादा. पेश को नुमायां करो थोड़ा सा. यस, फिर छोटी कर दी.
जब इसके पीछे भी एक ब्लॉक बनाऊँ ताबदू के लिए.
लंबी लंबी कर दो. Now first tell that what includes in the longer line and what is in the shorter line.
Ja and ta.
All that is in the Mudare first form, that will be the longer line except the last letter, because the change has only take place.
Ja, ta, alif, hamza, noon. So
Yes, you can change in the back, in the first also you will make the change, but longer line is unchanged. No, don't put this. Directly write Ja, Ta, Hamza and Noon. MashaAllah, good.
this line contains the root letters Ain, Lam, Mim when you have to change it to Muzare.
Whatever you get the first form,
You should write this.
you should divide into two parts. Last letter
Last
with
letter,
the green line and all rest with the first line. Longer line.
as we see in Mazi, the last letter which we changed, written in shorter line, the rest will become here. And as in Muzare, there is also a alamat Muzare, Ya, Ta, Hamza, Noon. So we should have to write the alama in the start. This is the change from the Mazi. Mazi have been changed only in last, but Muzare from last and very beginning.
सुबह याद से नीला मार्कर भी पुट कराओ.
Same in the Musanna. Sorry. Same in Musanna. Last letter of the given word change into the haraka of the last letter should change into fatha and ani should be added.
थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस करो बोर्ड से हट के खड़े होने की.
Same in that case.
All right. Well, this position is okay.
And in Jama.
Wow, yes. Wow.
Monas ta'budna.
Okay.
And that's all.
Now ask them to do.
First I.
एक दो दफा खुद कर दो.
So we have Muzare Ya'lamu, the first word. From Mazi we change into Muzare Ya'lamu. Put Ya'lamu here with Ya. Put here with Ta. Put here with Ta, and so on. And the last, in the first, in vertical, if we start, if we go, the last harka should be Dhamma. In all the five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as Ya'lamu, Ta'lamu, ta'lamu, a'lamu,
You have already learned
na'lamu.
that.
In ya'badu, ya'budu, ta'budu, abudu, na'budu, we should do the same, but not in that pattern way.
Pattern is the same, but the huruf are not the same.
In musanna, put the muzare here and add this one. Ya'lamani, ta'lamani, ta'lamani, ta'lamani. As in jam, ya'lamuna, sorry. Ya'lamna, ta'lamuna, ta'lamna, ta'lamina. Same with the case of yu'lamu. So who can try?
Ya'lamu,
No, no, no,
ya'lamani,
no, no.
ya'lamun.
Yu'lamu, yu'lamu.
Passive voice.
Word is this.
Majhul, passive voice.
Word is this. Apply changes only.
So there is already the word is
Given.
ya'lamu. So the first one will remain
The
the same.
first form will be provided to you by the dictionary. You don't have to worry about the first form. Whatever dictionary tells you, you will do it. But these are verb you are already familiar with, you will make your own.
Start. Yu'lamu. Then
Tu'lamu.
Then
Ta'lamu.
keep the haraka same.
Tu'lamu.
Yes.
Then a'lamu.
Hamza but haraka.
Ayulamu.
U'lamu.
U'lamu.
Then
Ta'lamu.
noon. Not ta.
Na'lamu.
Nu'lamu.
Haraka.
Nu'lamu.
Yes.
Nu'lamu.
Nu'lamu. Pesh.
Nu'lamu.
Dhamma. Then musanna.
What the nu'lamu means?
That we, noon is for us, no, we.
Sure.
In passive form, what does the nu'lamu means?
We know. We thought.
Will be known. In passive form, na'lamu we know. Nu'lamu will be known. It's known to us. Then in musanna,
So, yu'lamu. Yu'lamani,
yes.
and they will all be yu'lamani. Yu'lamani.
Same scale, but with ta.
Yu'lamani. Tu'lamani. Tu'lamani.
Yes.
And again,
Pronounce it clearly.
Tu'lamani.
Yes.
And again, Tu'lamani.
Yes. Next line.
So, Tu'lamuna.
Yes.
Tu'lamu.
Oh, yeah. Don't get it ta.
Yeah. Ya'lamuna.
Yolam.
Yu'lamna, mashallah.
Yu'lamu. Ta'lamu.
Yu'lamuna, yu'lamna. Appear.
Yu'lamuna.
Yes. And second pair.
Tu'lamuna.
Tu'lamna. You have no right to change the harakat of the.
Rest will be the same. Only the last should change. Then the last one.
Only the in the beginning, you have to change the letter. which is the sign of mudare, but you have no right to change
Haraka.
its harakat.
Oh. The last one?
To limna, to limin,
Pronounce it clearly.
to limina,
Yes, Tolimeen.
So lamina.
Tolamina. Yes, I got it wrong.
to lamina,
Tolamina.
to lamina.
Tolamina. Okay. And the muzare of he informed. It's Yolamu, it's Yulimu. Only Yulimu.
The only difference is that in passive voice,
It's Fatha.
it is fatha in the middle letter.
Say it again, say it again. I don't. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. Same letter.
Yeah, Tolim.
Yes.
Somebody else was speaking, sir. I only tried to help. I don't want to take over if she wants to continue. But it is li.
Don't worry, they know little bit of Arabic already. Since you are just the beginners, you have better right to take the lead. Don't be shy.
Tolimu.
Next. Say clear.
Alimu. You.
Ulimu.
Ulimu.
And then the last one. No, haraka. No limu. Same scale.
Sir, there is no haraka there. That's why I can't say it.
I intentionally erase the haraka because it should change in dhamma in fatha. So whatever the haraka you should carry on. No limu.
No limu.
And the second line.
So, yeah.
Haraka.
Yuli.
Yes. Clear. Say it clearly.
Yulimani.
Yes.
Tulimani.
Yes.
MashaAllah.
And Tolimuna.
Yeah, it's not ta.
Yalimuna.
Yulimuna.
Yulimuna.
Yes. Yeah.
Ta'lumani.
Yeah. It's not ta.
Yalimuna.
Yulimna.
Yulimuna.
Yulimuna is the first one. Second one is yulimna.
Yulimna.
And same pair with ta.
Yeah. Tulimuna.
Oh, yeah. And last one.
No limuna.
Where is noon?
But that is what we said, noon for the Dhamma.
Tu'limina. Noon is here, not.
Sorry, I was here.
Oh. Meem. Tu'limina. Tu'limina. Clear? Yes. You have completed the chart already.
MashaAllah, I have given you the infinitives of the four I wrote before you. Alama infinitive is ilam. Right? And Allama's infinitive is talim. Istalama's infinitive is istalama. Istilam, sorry. इसकी हरकतें डाल दो, डाली हुई है ऊंची करके, लग लिख दो दोबारा, ये भी ये मिटा दो. Now how many words you know of Urdu?
Say it again, please.
Sir, what is infinite?
Infinitive. Masdar in English is called infinitive.
Name of the act.
Name of the act. To do, to work, to sleep, to sit, to stand. This in English grammar is called infinitive.
Which doesn't show any ending.
No, no, no.
Any tense.
Any tense. To sleep is open, to become slept, sleeping, will sleep, shall sleep, all that is open. So it's infinitive. So this is a alarm. In the same shape, how many of Urdu words you know or Arabic words you already know?
Same scale. Alarm.
Alarm.
How many words you know on that scale? Alarm.
Islam.
Excellent.
Islam and
Ikrar.
Iqrar.
Inkar.
Inkar.
Israr.
Israr.
Excellent. Now you would realize how much of Arabic you already knew. But what we have done is, we have tried to give you an orientation of the language. You know already a lot of it. But now we are putting it in proper shape in your minds. Then words you know about talim, in the shape of talim.
This one.
Alim.
No, no, it had to have ta in the beginning.
Ta'leem.
Taslim.
Tasleem.
Tasleem.
And most famous, Tasveer.
Tasveer, tashweer, tasveer, taqdeer, ta'meer, ta'meel, tahdeed,
Tanqeed.
tanqeed,
Taftish.
taftish,
Tawqeed.
Takmeel.
yes, tawqeed. Who said this tawqeed?
I said, sir.
Zainab? MashaAllah.
No, sir.
Okay. Then, isti'lam.
Istilam.
Istighfar.
Istighfar.
Excellent.
Istighfar.
When you go to Umrah, you will find a counter, isti'lamat, inquiries. Yes.
Istimal.
Istihsal, istidlal, istiqbal,
Istighfar.
Istighbar.
istikbar, very good. Very commonly used in the Quran, istakbara. Aba wastakbara wa kana minal kafirin.
Istakbara. On that scale. Istakbara.
Then is ta'allum.
Ta'allum.
Tahammul.
Tahammul.
Excellent. Tahammul, tajammul,
Can
tafakkur.
you say tadabbur?
Yes, sure.
Tadabbur.
Tadakkur means admonition.
Tashakkur.
Tashakkur, very good.
Tashakkur. Tawajjuh.
But tawajjuh is 3 letters.
Yes. How?
K, Waw, J, Jim.
Jim is 2 times. Tawajjuh.
Tawajjuh. Takabbur.
Tanazzul.
Tanazzul.
تنزل الملائكة.
Yes, tahammul is correct. I think that's all for today. कह दो ऐलान कर दो वहाँ.
Any question?
Any question?
Thank you, sir. Jazakumullah
You're
khair.
welcome.
Save these two patterns and practice it on your own. Make a copies, as Dr. said, 14 blocks copies in 1 page or 2 page and photocopies. And make a photocopies and fill it them in weekends or whatever your time free. Make the copies.
Easily you can
So,
make
Brother Hakeem,
6
the
charts on
second
1
one
page
was the
and then
present tense, wasn't it?
It's- Again,
The second one, the second chart we did now, that was I think the chart
मदारे
on your right
मदारे
hand
लिखना
side,
भूल गए.
that is the present one, isn't it?
Present and future both. That verb is called madare. Arab have
Yes.
two verbs, madi and madare.
Yes,
And
sir. And the one
they have
of
no restriction on them to express something in the jumla ismiya or to express in the jumla fi'liya. To use the madi or use the madare, they are open to it. Inshallah. When we will read the Quran, we'll see that how they play with the words.
clear?
Thank you.
Oh, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.